Hi, I'm Evan Reinheimer. In this video, I'm going to go over the video monitoring system that I use for my kite aerial photography. Thanks for watching. Before I get started, please remember to subscribe to my channel to see more videos about kite aerial photography and life as an artist. After the last few videos I made about kite aerial photography, I received a lot of questions about how I actually see what my camera sees while it's up on my kite. So I'm going to go over that in this video. The solution that I found to monitor what my camera sees while it's up on my kite is actually pretty simple. As you see, this is my kite aerial photography rig that I use. You'll probably recognize it from my other videos. Right now, again, I have a Sony a7R II on here with a Zeiss Batis lens. So to be able to see what my camera sees, what I did is I attach another small little video camera to the side of the rig that you can see here. And what this little camera does is it sends a wireless video signal down to this little monitor here so I can see what the camera sees. And while the video that I'm seeing on the ground isn't exactly what the Sony camera sees through its lens, it's a very, very close representation. And it gives me enough information so that I know where the camera is pointed, how high it is, and the direction that it's orientated. And all of that information allows me to make a determination of whether I have my subject framed correctly or whether I need to make adjustments in order to get the exact shot that I want. To attach the small video camera to my rig, I use Velcro and Velcro it right to the side of the rig on the part that pivots so that it's always at the same angle as the bigger camera lens so that it maintains the same view that the larger camera sees. When I turn on the video camera and then turn on the transmitter, you can actually see what the camera sees, and in this way you can monitor wherever this camera rig goes. Another handy thing that this video camera does is it provides audio. Now you would think, Evan, what do you need audio for when your camera is up on the kite? You're only going to hear the wind anyway. That's true, but I also can hear the larger Sony camera click when the shutter is released, so that I know that the larger camera is actually responding to the remote and taking the picture when it should be. Once the kite and the camera are up in the air, I wear the video monitor around my neck like this so that my hands are free to control the kite line, and when I need to, I can reach down and look at the video monitor and see if the camera is in the right position to get the photograph that I want. Now, unfortunately, I have some bad news for those of you who may be wanting to use the same video downlink that I use. I could not find this camera and this receiver on the internet anywhere anymore. It's made by a company called Enox or Enix. I'm really not sure how to pronounce it. I know that when I ordered this, I had to buy it from Europe because it was unavailable in the United States. When I recently searched to see if I could provide a link so that people could get the same type of video transmitter here, I can't even find that the company exists anymore. Thanks for watching. I hope I answered all the questions that you may have had about my video monitoring system. If you still have a question, leave a comment below and I'll respond in the comments or in another video. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see other videos. Thanks again for watching.